man, this is manageable. Yeah, man, it's manageable and can definitely deliver a good work. Alright, after 3, 1, 2. Bye, Zahra. Bye, Leila.
Bye, Dad.
Bye, Hannah.
Bye.
You know, so today they're having a fair at church. We're leaving Hannah and Leila and Zahra at the fair to enjoy themselves. Eden and Eva are at home with Grandma. And Tina and I should be heading down to the country to check up on our place. But we're going to see how the day goes. How are you doing today? It's the Easter weekend. Let me know if you're up to any, you know, any mischief or any adventure.
Welcome to Mayville. Mayville.
It's not a playpen.
Okay, so first stop, Stewart's Hardware. Here we go. Manchester Avenue traffic. Come on, red light.
We just passed an accident on the highway. Is it still zoomed in?
Yes. You're good to go now.
Right, an accident on the highway. So we passed the police. First of all, big up to the person who was flashing from the other direction and alerted us that police was close. So I, you know, start slow down.
But weren't speeding.
Of course not. Mental house doesn't speed. So went there now, slowing down. But the police saw somebody behind us who they wanted to catch. So he came out now. I'm in the right lane. He came out in the left lane.
The police.
The police came out and he was doing this like an Iron Man kind of style, like, you know, to the car that was in the left lane, you know, slow down driver. So by the time we passed that, I'm looking in my rearview mirror to see who he was stopping, and I just see the back of a car lift up, so because who he came out in front of in the left lane, slow down appropriately, but then somebody runs straight in the man back, you know. Well, actually pulled over, reverse and thing. The person who ran up in the back was a part of a funeral procession who actually passed us, shot past us earlier.
Shot past us and fanned down
to
hearse.
pull down the hearse, and then lo and behold, by the time we walked back to the scene of the crime, scene of the accident, we saw the hearse man looking at the guy who was chasing him down to pull him over earlier, to tell him whatever, and the same guy, the same car that passed us right off. There's
right
no
off,
way.
yeah.
And somebody in the front was injured, not badly, not like bloody or anything, but like something happened to her foot or so.
Yeah, very unfortunate. I pray that everybody.
Yeah, I hope everybody's okay.
is okay.
But we'll just say that you go through life and you could simply be there being compliant to the officer, and then boom, somebody run up in your back, and it could be, you know, Tina was thinking of it, that it could have been us, could have been children in the car. You just don't know, and there's no protection. You can defensively drive to you know, to combat that, to mitigate against that.
Yeah, just
you're doing your part, but
as we go, we have to rely on God. Going out and coming in. That's the best we can do. Anyway, here we are at Stewart's. Be safe, guys.
So are we going to get?
Getting a sledgehammer to knock down a wall. Start some demo.
Alright. So of course we're coming here for one thing, but we get distracted like as soon as we step in here. And I just said, Tina, we're coming here for what? Sledgehammer. I say yes, in and out in 5 minutes, and I'm the one who distracts her by saying we found lawnmowers which we so badly need, and I'm sure when we reach there we're going to be like, we can't recognize our own location. The price is on them. Let's stick to the task.
Yeah, let's stick to the task.
This time.
But there's a manual one.
Yeah, this. I would love to see how those work. So we're looking for the sledgehammer aisle. Find paints. More paint. Right, so we're trying to figure it out on our own found some really big hammers, but nothing saying sledgehammer. What is this right here? Also, what's the official description?
No, that's not it. We need something heavy duty.
This is an engineer hammer. Oh, 3 pounds. Okay, we were told the sledgehammer is on this side, but look what I just run into. God is speaking to us right now. Look at this, neighbors. This is calling my name. Try build. How can I get our hands on this one? How much?
I don't surprise.
They're afraid to tell us. Okay. Alright, we found them right here. Sledgehammers. Yeah, this is it.
These are they?
These are they.
Whoa.
If these
Now
cannot
we're
do it, it cannot be done.
What size is?
This is
8 pound, 10 pound?
those are the pounds, you know.
Okay.
Those are the pounds. This is like it too. Also,
Feel good?
yeah man, this is
Manageable?
yeah man, it's manageable and it can definitely deliver a good work.
Alright. Okay, good.
And if my technique is right, but yeah man.
Hold it up. Let me see. Look at me.
Thor.
So I am looking, and this place seems to have all our gardening needs. I see shovels and all kind of diggers. Look at this rake. Yeah man, this is what I'm talking about. We definitely need one of these for our gardening. One of these. Pruning saw, absolutely. And I need one of those. Remember Paul grill? Cut your furniture and stuff. Nice.
So I just got my consultation free from another customer. This is a 12 pound sledge on Caesar. And say he used something like this the other day, so he knocked down concrete wall.
Matalan concrete.
Right, and that's not what we're trying to do. We have something much less reinforced,
Yeah.
but we know it takes more than a hammer because I've tried to use my hand and it's just to punch and to depress it, it never works.
Alright, let's cash this out and go.
Yeah, so let's go guys.
You're both wrong.
Yeah, so maybe we should have stuck to June and got it there. It will get a job done and we'll have it for a long time.
We'll have it for a lifetime, hopefully.
Yep.
Yeah, let's go.
Safety first.
Give me my own too.
I'm not pronounce you. What you want to be pronounced as?
Mrs. Build It.
Mrs. Build It Tina. Wrecking crew.
The Wrecking Reeds.
Why are you sniffing so much? What else do I need? Gloves?
Yeah. Must be the cost of that sledgehammer that caused it to be sniffling. Crying.
No, I know, say it has been taking me a while to just to digest it. I think because of the price that I've heard before, that's what I was expecting from Jungs, the $6,000. But she said 13. I look at Tina, so what do you mean by 13? But you don't know, say we got it like that, so just say
We got what like that?
take it off the car. Alright, so today what we're having now, today what we have is...
Can we get out of the sun first though?
No, you have on a cap. You have a hard hat.
Except that it's not for sun.
So what I have today, guys, just to let you know, to keep you up to date, I feel like a real professional.
You look good, honey.
Thank you.
Yeah, let me get a thumbnail worthy shot. Look at that smile. Oh my god, you've got the best smile in
Make
the
sure to
world.
watch the video when I see this thumbnail.
Listen, it's kind of too much sun and shade.
Okay, we'll get this to the shot better. But come on, let me show you what's happening inside.
Alright, let's go.
Alright.
Alright.
So what we're trying to get done today is, as you see, all of these are solid walls. And this is as if the house
Solid
was
concrete.
solid concrete walls. And a tenant used to live on this side. But we notice in this hallway, it's really just one hallway connecting both this side, the bathrooms and these bedrooms, with the other side, the living and kitchen and dining. But
We were reliably informed
so
that
you're hearing this solid. Go to them. Let's go. Solid concrete. As you get here, which is just.
we were told it was drywall.
So it was drywall. I tried, in my mind, drywall. When you do this, you must can see something, but there's something behind there that I'm going to get rid of. So ready?
Yeah.
Can I have my cool glasses, please? Safety glasses, guys. Let's get the first one. God go with me. Step back, babe. Back.
Alright, darling. Alright.
The dark is too dark. Ready?
Alright. Oh.
Okay. See how you make this one.
We get a little bit more out of the way.
What is this?
Go, just go. Keep going. Yeah. Making some progress. What is that? What? B? No, it's just something. Wow. This is serious. We need some lights.
Look at this supply there. Come on. So bow. 6.
Just be careful, please, and mind me. Mind me head.
Yeah, so
Want to try on the other side?
oh, these are screws.
Screws to take it down.
I'm seeing just 2 though. This cannot be all that is keeping this up like this. But at least there's some damage done. So let's go.
So we see where all the impact was being made.
Something is being pushed through.
Something is being pushed through on this side. All right.
Ready again?
Yeah. Yes! Victory! This is what we managed to get through, but we're dealing with these layers. We'll have some framing, some studs there. But then we have all of this tough stuff. And wow, it's just a lot to get through. So we're seeing like there is a actual board here. There's a board here, I don't know. I was telling Paul that maybe it is cement board. I don't know.
Neighbors, believe you me, underestimated. You win some, you lose some, you win some parents race. But this today,
It's beat you.
the wall beat me. Question though, this is not drywall, this is trickers. Does anybody in the neighborhood know what we're dealing with? We assume that it's not drywall, that it could be something they call plaster, which is much more sheeting, much more layers. But even if it's plaster, there's still additional things going on with this simple wall right here. It is heavily reinforced.
Yeah.
So we're thinking a crowbar might help, but the sheet is actually screwed in. So we're going to have to regroup. So if you have any suggestions, let us know.
We're trying to DIY this one.
This seems like a very simple
But
DIY.
it's not so simple to DIY. It's a lot harder to DIY this than we thought.
But we won't be discouraged. It is just taking a little longer than we anticipated. We learned something today. That's the bright side.
What did we learn?
Learned that.
Come on, let's hear it. Pastor Paul, give us the lesson.
Things aren't always as it seems, but as the great philosopher says, the hotter the battle, the sweeter the victory.
Yes, indeed. It will be a sweet victory when we bust through that wall.
When we get through this, it'll be like daylight on the other side. So neighbors, we go again, but just not today.
Yeah.
Yeah, but yeah. Let me show you some outside. We discovered that a fruit is in Papa. You know, it's on the way to being ready. Hello, Mr. Pine. Is another one this? On this?
I don't
How's
know
that say
if
work?
it's suckers. I don't know how pineapples work, you know. Is that
We have the other one. That
another
one
one over
doesn't
there.
have anything going on out there. So let us know what are we supposed to do with the other two shoot sucker thing that are beside it. As far as I imagine, only one should come from this. So, still not sure either. You disheartened?
Yeah, I feel a little disappointed. I've been wanting to bust through. I've been wanting to bust through that wall for some time now, so I feel a little disappointed that it hasn't happened
Yes.
yet.
Still happen soon.
Yeah.
Look at this.
Hey, Zahra, you had a good time?
Yes.
What's that?
It's pink. It's pink.
Paint on your hand, that's the sun.
And this is a butterfly. And
And the flower.
And the flag.
No, I did face painting.
You did it? You paint people?
Yeah, I did. I did a couple of things, but my best one was this unicorn and this butterfly. It looked really nice.
Do you have a picture of it?
Alana does, so I can ask her to.
Send us.
Alana has Jamaican.
Is it just pictures or
Hi.
do you take video?
Leila, enjoy
No,
yourself.
like the parents of the person. So pictures
Show
and
me
videos.
your face painting. Show me your painting on your hand. What is this?
Sun.
Suns. And what's this?
And butterflies.
Okay, you had a good
No,
time?
they're not butterflies. Jaim did them. Jaim attempted to do butterflies. They are quote unquote ladybugs.
No, they're butterflies.
They're not ladybugs. They're not ladybugs.
So what, you had a good time?
Yeah.
What's this?
You guys look toasted.
Hey neighbors, in reflecting on the video, I realized that this is exactly how life is. Sometimes and some days you'll be feeling like life is a fair, you're just enjoying yourself, things are good. And then there are other days where you just feel like you've hit a wall and you can't break through. So wherever you are in life now, whatever season, remember though, God is always good. Walk good neighbors, until next time, big up from me and the rest of the house. Bye.